Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 6 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about today's file. Today I have no intro just because I'm actually doing it in the morning and I didn't plan for it, but the timing actually worked out today, so I'm going to do it a little bit earlier. So yeah, let's do it. Today's file, and I'm still in Kenting here in Taiwan. It's beautiful here, as you saw from yesterday's intro. So check out yesterday's intro if you missed that one. But yeah, today's problem is 1716. Calculate money in Leetcode Bank. Okay, Hersey wants to save money for his car. What's Hersey? Is that a name? Okay. He put money in the Leetcode every day. Put $1 the first day. Tuesday he put one down on the previous Monday. Oh, okay. So basically, I mean, let's see, what's n? N is 1,000. Okay, n is 1,000 means that you can do it, but that's a little bit silly. I'm trying to think whether there's a smarter way to do it. I mean, obviously we can like for loops, right? We're all smart people here. Okay, so how many full weeks are there? Full weeks are there. I mean, I'm going to write it out so that it's less confusing because you could probably do it one liner, right? So full weeks is equal to that, right? And that is, of course, so the first week is going to be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, right? So what is that? I'm trying to do it in my head, but I am being dumb. What is it? 28? 10, 15 plus 13, 28. Yeah, 28, right? But that's the first week. Second week is bigger by 7. So then now, so that means that first week is going to be 28. And this is 28 is just, you go to magic constant here. First week is you go to 28. 1 plus 2. Right? And then now the second week is going to be 7 more than that, and then the third week is going to be 7 more than that, right? So now you have this progression of 28. So now it's first week times, it's full weeks. Grammar, right? Full weeks times first week. That's fine. But then now is this plus some progression of 7 times 0 for the first week plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 ... right? And this is going to be the number of weeks. So there's going to be 4 weeks times 4 weeks minus, well, this is actually technically minus 1 times 4 weeks minus 1 plus 1. That's how you get the 4 weeks. And then divided by 2, right? And this is just a very standard formula. Hopefully this will make sense. And then, yeah, so that's basically all the 4 weeks time, right? But now we have to get the partial weeks. So, what is it? 4 total, maybe? I'll call it that, right? And then now the partial weeks. Partial weeks now, that's actually a little bit tricky, right? So, well, how naming things is hard as well. Partial week is equal to n mod 7, right? That's the number of days that you have left over to do, but that is also dictated by, so the first week it starts at 1, the second week you start at 2, right? So that means that your 4 weeks plus 1. So okay, so you have partial week times partial week plus 1 over 2, right? and then you times that by 4 weeks because you start at that multiple together, right? No, you don't times it by 4 weeks. Did I do something wrong along the way? No, you start at this. Well, there are ways to do it. So you have this number, and this gives you, 1 plus 2 plus 3. So then now you times it by, or you add it by 4 weeks times partial week, right? Because full week is also the first number, the offset of the first number. I think that part makes it confusing. So yeah. So then partial. I need to add some variable names to make this less confusing. So, but let me see if this is correct, real quick. It looks okay. I mean, if it's okay for 25 years, right? But this is a mess to read. So let's let me submit right now, because in the past I have done this and then I forget to submit, and then the next day I'm like, oh no, I have to, But okay, looks good. But yeah. What did I say? So okay, so week offset is equal to 4 weeks, which is what? Okay, let's comment this, right? How come my stuff was one thing? Number of 4 weeks, right? Number of money on the first week, maybe even 1 full week, whatever. The first number of the last week, right? So then now the full total is just going to be this. This part is straightforward, and this is technically, I think this should be week offset, even though I know that they're the same variable, obviously, because I mean we got it right. But yeah, and then partial week, and then now this is week offset. Yeah, okay, right. Actually, I guess that was the only thing that we needed to do. But yeah, that's pretty much my logic. Obviously, you can do it with a for loop, and you could also do that in like 5 seconds or something. Maybe I did it the first time because I got lazy. I mean, I'm way lazy generally. So yeah, you can see it that way. But yeah, this is obviously constant time, constant space, and that's what I have for this one. You can also say linear time, linear space, depending on how you want to say it. The reason why you could say that is because the space and return value is linear in the size of the input. The size of the input is not n. The size of the input is the number of bits representing the number n, which in this case is log n, confusingly. And because the number of bits on the input is the same of the number of bits on the output, and space and time. Well, I guess technically add and stuff. I don't know how. I guess add isn't technically necessarily linear, but I guess in general it is. Multiplication, I guess it's maybe not. That gets into the weeds, but yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.